Hey guys, it's your boy Jeff is King. You know, we're getting some water from the good old creek here and seeing how it tastes. It's gotta be good, right? Yeah. So, I've already got a sample, if you can see. Got a sample right here. Now, I haven't tasted it yet, but I've seen little black dots littered throughout it. Didn't know if you saw them, and I don't care because, you know. And look. Yeah? There. Now, how does this taste? Brooke, if you're watching this, yeah, thanks. I mean, like, tell me what's going on. But let's try it. It doesn't taste bad. That actually tastes good. Now it's got pee in it. I don't care. It tastes like water, and it is water. So it's good. It's high quality H2 to the O. H to the O. Include the 2. Man, actually, that was a surprise. These. Now, I don't know if this one's different. One way to find out. Heck yeah, man. Look.